Ever wondered how the milk bottle your little one uses every day is made? From a tiny pellet of plastic to a perfectly formed bottle, the journey is fascinating. Today, we're going on an exclusive tour inside a state-of-the-art factory to uncover the secrets behind making a safe and durable baby bottle. Get ready, because you're about to see some incredible manufacturing magic. Our journey starts with the raw materials. The heart of most modern baby bottles is a special type of plastic called polypropylene, or PP for short. It's chosen for its toughness, heat resistance, and most importantly, because it's BPA-free, making it completely safe for babies. These tiny, clear pellets are the building blocks of everything we're about to see. They arrive at the factory in huge bags, ready to be transformed. First, the pellets are fed into a giant hopper. From there, they travel into a machine that heats them to over 200 degrees Celsius, melting them down into a thick, gooey liquid, almost like honey. It's crucial that this molten plastic is perfectly uniform in temperature and consistency to ensure a high-quality final product. This is where precision engineering really kicks in. Now, for the really cool part, injection stretch blow molding. It sounds complicated, but it's a brilliant two-step process. First, the molten plastic is injected into a mold to create what's called a prefit. It looks like a small, thick test tube with the bottle's neck and screw threads already perfectly formed at the top. You can see hundreds of these preforms being made every minute, cooling just enough to hold their shape. Next, these warm preforms are transferred to a second machine. Here, they're heated again to make them soft and pliable. A long rod called a stretch rod pushes down inside, stretching the preform vertically. At the exact same moment, a blast of high-pressure sterile air is blown into it, expanding the plastic outwards like a balloon until it fills the shape of the final bottle mold. It happens in the blink of an eye. This stretching and blowing process is what gives the bottle its strength and its crystal-clear appearance. Once the bottle is formed, the mold opens and a robotic arm carefully removes the hot, newly made bottle. But it's not finished yet. The bottles travel along a conveyor belt to cool down. Quality control is paramount at every stage. Cameras and sensors scan each and every bottle, checking for any imperfections, no matter how small. They check the wall thickness, clarity, and ensure the screw threads are perfect so the lid will seal tightly without any leaks. Any bottle that doesn't meet the strict standards is immediately rejected and sent back to be recycled. The final touches are adding the measurement markings. A specialized printing machine uses safe, non-toxic ink to print the ounce and milliliter lines onto the side of the bottle. This process is incredibly precise to ensure parents can measure out formula or milk accurately every single time. After printing, the bottles go through a final inspection before being packaged. The teats, caps, and rings, which are often made in a separate but equally meticulous process, are added to the packaging. And there you have it. From tiny plastic pellets to a fully assembled, sterile-packed baby bottle ready for your home. The combination of advanced technology, strict safety protocols, and constant quality checks ensures that every bottle is perfect for the most precious little customers. It's an amazing blend of science and care. Thanks so much for joining us on this factory tour. If you found this process as cool as we did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos. Let us know in the comments what you want to see made next.